Welcome to Geography 1200. My name is Peter Bush, and this is a welcome video to introduce you to the course, give you a little bit of information about the format of the course, and a little bit about what to expect from Geography 1200, People, Place, and Environment. So I'm going to start off talking a little bit about myself. I am a part-time instructor for St. Mary's University. I work during the day, full-time for the provincial government. I am with the Department of Natural Resources, the Forestry Division, and I am the provincial landscape ecologist. So that means that I do a lot of computer mapping, computer GIS. I also do a lot of work with old growth forests and that type of thing. So that's what I do for my my day job. I've been working for St. Mary's for this is probably my fourth or fifth time that I've taught this online course, and I really enjoy it. I'm a geographer. I have an undergrad in geography. I have a master's in forestry and a PhD in geography as well. And I am from Ontario. I'm, as Nova Scotians say, from away, but I am Nova Scotian by choice now. Been living in Nova Scotia for about 11 years. So enough about me, more about the course. The format of this course is everything is online, so there's no requirement to write anything in a classroom or to write the final exam in the classroom. I'll get into the final exam later, or the midterm test. All of the assignments and the readings are everything is associated with the Brightspace learning. So I should start there. So this is the first time that I am teaching with this new educational software called Brightspace. Some of you may have taken a course with it. St. Mary's have just made the switch to this new learning software called Brightspace. Others will be familiar with Blackboard. So I'm going to be patient with you, and please be patient with me as we try to figure out Brightspace. And if occasionally while I'm talking I say a Blackboard or BBL, just be understanding it's all Brightspace moving forward with this course. So the structure of this course is it's based on modules. There's 6 modules, and for the summer course it's going to be one every week. So things are about twice as fast in the summer course as they are in the winter course. So what that means is you're going to have to keep up with your readings quickly. So you only have a week to do your readings, do your assignment, and do your discussion board posts. Okay? So in your module, each week, you go to the website, you look at Module 1, you'll see the learning objectives, you will identify the readings for the course, and then you will conduct the discussion board posts, and you will do the assignment for that module. And as I mentioned, there's 6 of them. So I think the assignments are kind of straightforward. I'll leave them. They're due every week at probably the Monday or the Sunday night. So that will be online. You can check out that information. I think the last 2 modules I adjusted because of the holiday in August. Okay. So generally Sunday night, and I think in August we kind of switched to a Monday. But you can see that on the course syllabus, the exact due dates there. But basically you have a week to do it. The modules start on the Monday, and I will do a collaborate session, which is an online kind of 20 minutes or 30 minutes with me at about 8 o'clock at night. There's an opportunity for you to do ask some questions. And I just kind of set the stage. I don't do a lecture. I just review what the assignment is, what the discussion board post is, and then answer any questions. So it's a live feed like we're doing now. Well, this is live. This is recorded, but it's a video session. The other thing about the collaborate sessions to be clear about is they are optional. You do not need to attend. You don't need to send me an email saying I can't make it. You just watch the recording. So what I do with the collaborate sessions is I record them, and then you have the opportunity to watch them later on. So if you're not available Tuesday night, you've got a baseball game or something like that, great. That's why we do an online course. The advantage of attending them is if you have a specific question and you want to chat about something, it's great for you to be online so you get that interaction in the course. Okay, so that's collaborate sessions. Once a week, it's in the course outline when they are. The first one will be Tuesday, July 5th at 8 p.m. and then every Tuesday after that at 8 p.m. And of course 8 p.m. Atlantic time for anyone taking this course outside. Everything will be based on Atlantic time. So when I say the midterm test runs from 12:01 in the morning until 11 p.m. at night, that is Atlantic time. You need to make sure that you adjust your timing to fit Atlantic timing, okay? So that is the collaborate sessions. The next is the discussion posts. I'm going to jump into those because that's a little different than a lot of other courses. So some courses you have opportunity to have discussion with the class or the professors, and then later on you might get some participation marks. In this course, how it works is a collaborate session, the discussion sessions are an integral part of this course. I think I'm very happy with them. I find that in this class, I get a higher participation rate in the class, more interaction among students than they do in the regular classroom or ground class. It's because you've probably all been there in the class of 300 or 400, and the only 10 people sitting at the front interact with the professor. Well, in this case, through these discussion boards, you have to interact with your fellow classmates on a weekly basis. So how this works is you answer or respond to a question with what is referred to as a substantial post, which means that at least 125 words, you say something about that question or response. You bring in personal experience, you bring in readings, your textbook, anything like that to respond. And then that's one post, and then you need to do three other posts of 120 words. So this right, you should be able to write this in 15-20 minutes at a minimum. You respond to another student's post. So it's called a response post. You do that 3 times, so a total of 4 posts, and then that counts for 4% of your grade every week. Okay, so it's a great way. I'm amazed at the end of term how many students did not participate in that and then ask me, geez, Mr. Bush, Dr. Bush, I'd really like to have that B+. I look at their discussion posts and they missed a whole week, and that would be the difference. It's kind of too bad. But so kind of keep up with them, and I think it's a great way to interact, to get to know your fellow classmates in the class, even though it's a virtual course. So I think that's pretty explanatory. It's explained more, and I will discuss more on the first week. So that's the discussion post. The assignments are all posted every week. Do 1 week later. I think that's straightforward. The next thing I just want to talk about is the tests. How the tests work is they're online. You can write them anytime on the dates listed in the syllabus, and I believe it's July 25th and August 19th. So the midterm is the 25th. It covers the first 3 modules, and you have 1 hour to write that test. You cannot start until 12:01 midnight of that day, and you have until basically 11 p.m. to start it. At 11:59 or 12 midnight on going into the 26th, the computer will shut off and will log you out. So it's a time test. You can write it from wherever you want. It's meant to be closed book, but if you have materials that's around you, that's fine. But you have to be careful. You only have about a minute or even less than a minute to answer each question. So you really can't spend time Googling. Try it. You won't get there. You won't finish the test. The test automatically times out after that hour, and you can't sign back in. So make sure it is your responsibility in an online course. It's not acceptable excuse to say I was at a poor computer, my computer failed. If you're worried about your internet service or computer. To do this testing or something, you need to go to a university or a library or somewhere where they have more reliable information. Then if something does actually happen at that school, power goes out, they'll be able to give me verification. I'm not chasing down students about individual responses at home. Okay, it's kind of tough, but that's the deal with online courses. You need to have a reliable computer or access to a reliable computer and make sure everything's working. Okay. The other thing about this course, we do watch a couple movies. They're listed there online. Who Killed the Electric Car, a couple other ones, King Corn, some nice classic environmental movies. If you can, read the syllabus, check it out. I hope in this course you get a chance to learn about the environment, learn about the impacts the environment has on us and we have on the environment. That's the goal of this course. I think you'll enjoy it, and I think you'll be a more informed and better citizen learning about the environment and studying. Even if you're not going to be a geography or environmental major, this course will make you, I hope, a better informed environmental citizen. So that's it. Again, I look forward to doing this course with you. I will be online for the Collaborate session on Tuesday, July 5th. If you have any questions, see me there. If not, email me. My email is peter.bush@smu.ca. Some others may have got from the school. My Yahoo email, that works too. Either way, I look forward to enjoying this course with you. Talk to you soon. Goodbye.